Hi everyone, welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can recover your deleted videos on YouTube. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments after watching the video, and let us get started with you. So, you open the YouTube app, then you're gonna go to your page, and then scroll to the bottom here to find help and reviews. You open it up. And also at the very bottom, you'll find Submit a Review. You click on that. And now all you need to do is write to the support team about your problem. You can write that, "Hello, I accidentally deleted my videos. Could you restore them?" Just as an example. This you will need to write right here in this box under your email. Once you have the text you need, you simply click on Send at the top, and this request is sent to support. This method works on both iPhone and YouTube. You can send the request to support. Unfortunately, there is no 100% guarantee that this method can help you get your deleted videos back, but unfortunately there are no other methods. So this is the only way you can try to recover your deleted YouTube videos. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, put likes, write comments. See you soon.